Hello, this is gonna be a spotlight, and this spotlight is episode 1. So I will be interviewing some animals. So right now I will be interviewing Principal. I will be interviewing Selena Gomez in my LPS world. Thank you for inviting me. Oh, no problem. So my name is Camille. Your name is Selena, right? Yep. First question: Who do you like? Who is like? Do you have a husband? No. Do you have a boyfriend in this LPS world? Yes. Who is it? Justin. Last name? Bieber. Oh. Is he here watching? Yeah. Want me to call him? Sure. Okay. Honey. Come here. Okay. Hello. Oh, hey, Justin. Hi. My name is Justin, but in movies, my name's not Justin. Sometimes I change it, but usually my real name is Justin. But in movies, I change it, okay? Yeah, everybody knows that. Everybody does that. Yeah. Ooh. And I heard that you guys went to Hawaii. Yeah. Why, did you see the pictures? I'm embarrassed. Okay, so you can go now, Justin. Okay. So, Selena, what is your favorite song? My favorite song is Who Said by me. Oh, okay. What's your favorite color? Pink. Oh, what's your favorite car? I like saucy cars. Like that one over there? Wow. The one that Aura have? Yeah, I like those. Oh. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for joining us. No problem. I shall be thanking you for inviting me. Oh, that's no problem. Okay, thank you. Bye. Here's a little word to say, you guys. If you want to be in the show, you will have to comment, and I will give you a message and give the questions, and you will have to reply me and do the answers, okay? If you would like to be in the spotlight. But I will choose a pet for you, okay? Well, see ya. Bye. Chubby cheeks. Oh, thanks. No prob.